Sword, the new host. Intern. MacGuffin.
Oh, what the hell is going on?
Nothing! We don't know everything yet, but we're not gonna hurt you, okay?
Hurt me?
Wandering around 'cause...
I'm a good friend, and secrets are blackmail. And it's not about football.
Okay. Does your secret friend want to know about football, or... So is that related to the thing you're looking for?
No. yeah, no it is.
I deserve this, I deserve this, I deserve this! Thank you, Mind Chef! Trauma goes, and here you find from there!
You know, you're one of the main reasons I wanted your team to retain your personalities. You always surprised me. Loved doing anything. Thanks for clearing the way on this planet, too. Let's eat.
Why sin after her own murder pet? You stupid or something?
Oh yeah.
Well, by me then. Try! Hey, you look familiar. Watch the road. You got wings?
I guess.
Focus! Left! Think you could get this across to the surface? I'm looking for a hunk named Kong.
Who's his dad? What?
How do you know my daughter?
Где фиксачила?
Not sure what you mean.
Избавиться от вычислителя. Где он?
So that's what they were doing down here, huh? Crucifix-looking thing.
Так ты не знаешь.
Had my suspicions. Thought they kept cutting my food. Patch to save yourself, huh?
Я не позволю вычислителю использовать меня и поглотить планету.
Not sure it needs you, buddy.
Thanks for the new host, intern. MacGuffin. Ow.
What?
In the silence.
Anyway, humans will... Which one was just trying to eat us?
Nori, you're dead.
You're frickin' grounded.
Angry. It's been fun, and also, that's sarcasm. Honestly, I'm starving.
to go, boss. Just say,